Hello everybody, this is our following video about energy, and we were talking about non-renewable energy sources. So today our topic is about coal basics. Coal takes millions of years to form. Coal is a combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock with a high amount of carbon and hydrocarbons. Coal is classified as a non-renewable energy source because it takes millions of years to form. Coal contains the energy stored by plants that lived hundreds of millions of years ago in swampy forests. Layers of dirt and rock covered the plants over millions of years, and the resulting pressure and heat turned into plants into substance we call coal. Coal is an abundant fuel source that's relatively inexpensive to produce and convert to useful energy. However, producing and using coal affects the environment. Converting coal into gas and liquids. Coal can be turned into gases and liquids that can be used as fuels or processed in chemicals to make other products. These gases or liquids are sometimes called synthetic fuels or synthetic synfuels. Synfuels are made by heating coal in large vessels. These fuels produce fewer air pollutants when burned than burning coal directly. Electrical power. So power plants make steam by burning coal, and the steam turns turbines like machines for generating rotatory mechanical power to generate electricity. Let's move to the tasks. So you are going to find out the definitions for the given words. So there are the words that we learned today, and you can revise the topic and learn more about the words and the lexical units of the topic. Find out the sentences are true or false. So there are given some statements about the topic, about the coal and coal basics. So we have talked about it, so you have to find the statements whether true or false. List the pros and cons of the coal energy. So you know more about coal and the coal basics and the pluses and minuses of the coal. So you have to list here some features of the coal energy. So let's move to the case study itself. So today we are going to about biomass. So there are some words and the lexical units of the case that can be really helpful for you, and let's discuss them. The first one is various sources. We have discussed this word of our previous videos. So various means different sources. And the next is animal waste. Animal waste can be slurry coming from the animal. Carbon dioxide, it's the gas. We know all about it. Release means to emit, to produce some gases. Landfill gas, that's the gas coming from landfills. Electricity cuts, when there is no electricity, this is the electricity cuts. So usually in the countrysides, there happen lots of electricity cuts. Habitat loss. Habitat is the place that animals, birds, and the plants live together. So habitat loss is the destruction of this habitat. Biomass. So today we'll learn more about the biomass in the case studies, and I will explain it later. Destruction of the natural beauty. Destruction is the loss of the natural beauty. Soil erosion, the process happens with soil and the soil loses its fertility. Blackouts, that's also electricity cuts, but blackouts can be for longer periods of time. So the last word is biodegradable rubbish. So biodegradable rubbish is the rubbish that can happen some biodegradable process, biological process, and it can remove itself, let's say like that. So this is our case study. So biomass can come from various sources, like such as plants, animals, and waste. Some common examples of biomass are wood, crops, manure, landfill gas, and biodegradable rubbish. You are living in the countryside where there are lots of trees, animal waste around. In winter, there happen a lot of electricity cuts and a few days of blackouts. As a result, people in the neighborhood burn biomass for heat or electricity, and it releases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The situation also leads to deforestation, causing habitat loss, soil erosion, destruction of natural beauty, and more. You're going to suggest some efficient ways and the solutions to this problem. So there are questions that you can discuss with your friends or discuss yourself to find some possible solutions. So I hope the video will be very helpful for you and you can learn more about the source of energy. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.